let me start over. These eggs are from Vital Farms. I love these eggs because sometimes you open the box and you get a little newsletter and it has a chicken on it. Anyways, it's a lot of fun. Okay, so these are actual key limes that I'm using. Well, it's key lime juice. It's kind of hard to find real key limes. They're like really small, and it takes a lot of them. So if you want to use actual key limes, I really recommend just getting the bottle. And I'll show it in just a second. It's a specific brand, and it's real key limes. You could also just use regular limes. Here's the brand, Nelly and Jones Key West lime juice. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. But if you want to be really specific, these are key limes. So it's 4 egg yolks and some lime juice, and now I'm adding an entire can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm also going to use pre-made graham cracker crust for this pie. And the filling doesn't quite get all the way up to the top of the graham cracker crust pie. That is the pre-made one. And so what I'm going to do, and I would have done this anyways, but I'm going to add whipped cream on top because I love key lime pie with lots of whipped cream. I think that is a delicious combo. So I'm making the filling. The filling is super easy. You just mix all of that stuff up until it's like fully come together. I think it took maybe like 5 minutes to make this filling. And then I'm pouring that into my pie. And you can kind of see there's a lot of room. There's a lot of room for whipped cream, and that's excellent. If you don't want a lot of room for whipped cream, I would recommend maybe doubling the recipe. And that would get you all the way up to the top. Because the pie it's not going to like rise or anything because there's no flour or anything like that. The baking soda. So it's going to stay kind of right there. So you can double it. You're going to bake it at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. If you double it, you'll need to change your baking temperature and time. So just be aware of that. So now it's fully cooled off. I've made some whipped cream. You can also use Cool Whip, and I'm just putting that all over the top. This was delicious. I had some friends come over, and we sat around at the table and just ate this pie right out of the pie tip forks. It's really, really good, and it's a super, super easy summertime dessert. I mean, seriously, the whole process probably took less than half an hour to make this pie. It is really delicious. It's not super exciting to look at with cream on top, but I gotta tell you, it